Hello mga ka-YouTubero, magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. And nagbabalik na naman tayo dito sa Silay City, Negros Occidental. So balik fiesta pala rito sa Silay City, and binabati natin sila ng Happy 67th Charter Day. Yeah, so doon sa mga magtatanong kung saan ako naka-check-in, so bali ito yung 1898 Casa Restaurante along Calle 5 de Noviembre. So malapit lamang tayo sa Balay Negrense, Hofilenia, so walking distance lamang siya, and malapit din tayo sa simbahan ng Silay City. Ito yung aking bedroom, and this is good for 2 person, pero mag-isa lang tayo ngayon, and ito ay 2,200 per night. So medyo pricey siya, siguro dahil nandito tayo mismo sa heritage town ng Silay, kaya medyo mahal siya. So nandito ako sa Silay simula ngayong June 6 hanggang Sunday, June 9. Ayan, balik na tayo ng Manila sa linggo. Sa vlog na ito mga ka-YouTubero, meron tayong pupuntahan na isang lumang bahay na hindi natin napuntahan nung last time na galing tayo dito nung 2022. Itong bahay na ito ay isa ng bed and breakfast. Ito yung Herman Unson Ancestral House. So bali ito yung i-feature natin ngayon, Herman Unson Heritage House, bed and breakfast. Okay, so isa ito sa mga well-maintained na lumang bahay, ancestral house, Ayan. So Herman Locsin Unson Ancestral House. Okay, so ang nagmamanage nito ngayon, isa sa mga may-ari ay ang apo. So mamaya papakilala ko siya sa inyo. So nandito tayo mismo sa likod ng kanilang bahay. Ito daw dating tangke ng tubig. Ayan. Okay, so dito tayo sa kanilang master's bedroom. Ito yung master's bedroom. So how much naman ito, ma'am? A night? 2,800, good for 2. Tapos kung meron akong gustong idagdag na kasama, isa.
Okay, lagyan lang ng extra bed, 500.
500, okay. Not bad. Kasi ang laki ng
Pwede apat.
Pwede, yes. Pwedeng 4.
Check mo yung CR, may mga shell collections sila doon.
Tingnan natin. Ito ba, siyempre bago na to?
Hindi, may luma pa.
Ay, oo nga.
Partial renovated.
Yan talaga yung tub noon pa. And itinayo ang bahay taong... Anong taon itinayo ang bahay? 1938. Kasabay ito. Itong tub. Oh, wow. Diba? Nakakatuwa, may tub. Pero syempre ito mga additional na lang ito. Mga bago na ito, Tapos itong lababo, ito bago, ito. Yan, syempre bago. Diba? Natuwa ako sa tub o bathtub, no? Tapos sa kabila may tao. Sa Rene.
Wala.
Wala.
Pwede mo ito.
Sige. O, diba? Salamin. Fe Ledesma Unson. Okay. Tama?
Oo, si Rene, yung panganay.
Si Rene ang panganay. Dalawa lang ba anak ng... Apat sila. So, ito available to.
Oo.
And ito, how much naman ito, madam?
1,002.
Mas mura siya,
Kasi
syempre.
maliit na siya.
Oh, so one of the anak, si Rene.
Rene.
Okay. So, maganda siya kasi mayroong dalawang separate bed.
Oo.
Single,
Single din.
no?
Pero mayroon sa house, meron din. Dalawang...
Meron bang single lang? Wala?
Wala.
Ganon. 2-2. Okay, not bad. Tapos may aircon ka na. Pero gusto kong makita yung view dito. May balcony ba to? Siyempre wala. Ano yung view natin dito, ma'am? O nabubuksan ba to? Hindi na. Hindi na, no? O wag na kaya. Nahiya naman ito, ma'am. Nahirapan tuloy si madam.
Wala. Wala.
Yan yung view natin. Yan yung main street, no?
Oo.
Sa Mora.
Oo.
Diba, ang laki ng ano? Malaki rin to for 2 person. Tapos ito, bathroom bago na, ma'am. Bago na yung bathroom. Oh. Alabas na tayo. Pinatay ko na. Akit muna tayo.
Mas maganda kung siya yung ano sa iyo ng mga pamilya niya.
Oo, yes. Sige po. So, paakit tayo sa taas. Tapos dito may balcony pa, oh. O azotea. Or siesta.
Tinatawag nilang cactus kasi hindi kami masyadong matanim ng cactus. Ginawa naman ito.
Ano ba to additional ng bahay?
Nung una kasi wala ito kung ano.
Ah,
Parang ano talaga siya. May mga tanim.
parang balcony lang talaga siya.
Oo.
Oh, nice. Tapos kalaunan pilalagyan nyo na lang ng bubong, ano. So yung bahay, no, may ano siya, may art deco style. So kasi kita nyo yung mga railings o mga bakal.
Oo, mga bakal.
Oo. Ayun, no, ninyo. Oh. Ninyo. Art deco siya.
Oo,
Actually.
mga bakal talaga.
Oo. O, diba? Art deco. Mga railings. Ito, mga santo. Ito yung pinaka ano mo
Kasi lang may nakakaano ng tao dyan.
sa Lourdes.
Ang anak niya, si Rene, si Lourdes, si Carmen, at saka si Christina. Isang lalaki, tatlong babae.
I see.
Sanday na po.
Sige po. Nakakatuwa itong picture nila. Oh. Sorry, hindi natin matanaw. Tapos eto yan, dito sila sa balcony. Diba? Napakaganda. So may naka-check-in daw dito sa Lourdes. Kaya hindi ito may papakita sa atin. Pero itong Carmen Cristina, kinuha lang yung susi. So ito yung pinaka-dining area nila. Pero ma'am, natuwa ako dito. Ang galing.
5 na siguro yan. Years.
Ano po, ilang taon?
105.
Oh, so ano na to? Antique na. No sir, no? Antique na.
Basta inabot ng 100 years or more than 100 years. Antique.
Antique. Pero pag less,
less
Vintage.
Vintage.
vintage. Di ba? Dami natin natututunan sa mga nakikilala natin, di ba? Ay, nabukas na. So, ito yung Carmen Cristina. Ito naman for two rin.
Good po. Good for today.
And ito po, magkano to?
2,000.
Pareho lang nung kay Rene. Okay. So, kapag dito ako nag-stay, dalawa naman yung kama ko. Sinong hihiga sa tabi ko? Kung ako lang mag-isa. Baka mamaya pag dikitin.
Para dalawain mong ano mo.
Baka pagising ko,
May kasama ka na.
hindi, nasa ilalim.
Sa harap.
Nasa... Hindi, joke lang. Diba? Tapos, eto may balcony siyang sarili. Oh. Ay, wag na natin siya buksan.
Go na ko da.
Galing naman nito, ma'am, no? Vanity mirror.
Oo, muna. Mas malaki yung baliti nila.
At saka kita. Oo, beveled, oh. Diba?
Ito yung banyo nila.
O, tignan natin yung banyo. Ito may, may pagkaluma pa to.
Oo, ito.
Oo nga.
Ito. Ano pa to? Unang panahon pa.
Yan yung bidet.
Bilay nila.
Mm.
Unang panahon.
Yan yung lababo. May bathtub?
Bago
Oo
nila.
nga.
Parehong color.
Oo. Siyempre, babae. No?
Babae. Dalawang babae.
Oo, dalawang babae.
This house was built in 1938 and I'm fifth generation already. It's called Herman Unson Heritage House kasi yung lolo ko si Herman was the one who had this house built. But actually, the property really belongs to his wife, si Fe. Kaso, nung time ng lola ko, si Fe, this house looked very different. So, later, I can show you. Actually, you can see the picture there.
Oh,
of the
there.
house. Yan yung what it looked like before.
Opo.
But when she married my lolo, it was Lolo Herman who built this house.
I see.
So, we converted this into a bed and breakfast in 2016. And we decided to put names sa mga rooms ba. Parang those who were the original occupants of the rooms.
Okay.
So, I think you've seen the rooms.
Yes.
So here, the big one, the master's bedroom, Herman Fe, was the room of my grandparents, Herman and Fe. Here, si Rene, their oldest sibling. Yung two rooms sa taas, one is occupied, so I don't
Oo nga po
see
eh.
one.
Hindi,
Si
okay lang po.
Lourdes is the second sibling. And then Carmen, Christina are the last two siblings. So Christina is my mom. So that is her room.
Oh, nice po.
So we kind of grew up here in a way because every Saturday, our small family would gather here for lunch. Tapos ako, there were times that I would, sleep with my lola.
Okay.
My lola passed away when I was about 7 years old.
Opo.
So, but I still have memories of him. He was very sociable.
Opo.
And the reason why you see mga Japanese, like the geisha doll here, and pictures, if you've seen the pictures here,
Yes.
there's a picture here with him and the group of Japanese businessmen.
Ah, really? Meron sila
And
nito?
it's here.
Ah, ayan sila.
That's my lolo on
Oh,
the
this
left.
one.
Yes. And he looks Japanese,
Oo
actually.
nga. Pinag-uusapan niya namin kanina, sabi, ang gwapo naman ito, pero
He looks Japanese.
Oo.
And he's had many, kasi because of business,
Opo.
he's had many Japanese business associates who became good friends.
Opo.
So, ayun.
Ayun, man. And this house is belong to is a private owned, not hindi ang local government.
Ano?
Hindi po. Okay.
Actually, yung story of how this became a bed and breakfast was because I don't know if you've been around Silay City. We have about mga 30 heritage houses. They recognized 30 of the ancestral houses here as heritage houses. So, at that time, medyo developing na yung tourism for that. So, medyo maraming nag-encourage sa amin na because we have tourists coming in to see the ancestral houses,
yeah.
but then we send them off to modern hotels. So why not give
Oo
them
nga.
the experience,
Yes.
the option to experience how it was to stay in a heritage house. So we are the first bed and breakfast na heritage house.
Dito sa Silay.
Dito sa Silay.
Oh.
So, yun, we opened in 2016 and it's not just us now, may ibang nag-crop up pa rin.
Opo,
So,
opo.
but now it's not just okay. So I'm giving you a bit of the house, the history of the house, and at the same time as a bed and breakfast na siya, no? So mainly business wise, this is a bed and breakfast, but we've expanded a bit kasi like yung all day breakfast namin.
Oo.
Well, it's actually breakfast. That's kasama sa room rate, di ba? But because masarap naman talaga yung food.
Siyempre.
And some of them are my Lola Fest recipes. So, some come here to eat kahit na they're not guests. So, we serve all day
Oh,
breakfast.
pwede pala yung kahit hindi sila magstay dito.
Yes.
Basta magpabook ahead of time.
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds mirrors. Kasi there are times when the house is not available.
Oo.
So, better to book ahead.
Oo.
And then, of course, the garden is also a venue for events. So you can rent it for events
For a
as well.
debut, photo shoot, weddings.
Yes, birthdays,
Birthdays, yeah.
mga whatever the protocol.
Oo. So you're open to any kind of
Yes,
events.
but we don't go beyond 100%.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Kita mo naman, it's not that big. Make sure that by 10 p.m.
Oh,
wala nang sound
Lights.
system, wala nang anything, quiet na. Actually, our events end at 10 at the latest.
Okay.
Kasi residential area at open.
Okay, so Ma'am Shell, where can we find you? Facebook, we also have
We have a Facebook
booking.com.
page.
Yeah.
Our business page, kasi some medyo nako-confuse. May lumalabas na dalawa.
Actually.
One is the first one na it's not actually our business page. It's yung profile pic is the actual house. So don't
Na black
go
and
there.
white.
For some reason, I can't even access that. No, you go to the logo with the
black and white,
logo.
okay.
Yes, that is her.
That's
That's
your-
where you messaged me.
Okay.
So
Kasi
that's
nag-message
one.
ako sa brief sa una, sa akin tagal
Yeah.
naman sumagot. And then
Oo.
I found out na may isa pa pala.
Yes. I don't know why I don't have access there. So anyway, this one is really the official page. The
Okay.
one with the logo. So that's where we receive the bookings and all that.
Okay po.
Inquiries. Ayun.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Shell. Thank you po. So ganito pala siya dati. Yan daw yung
So,
original
that's
na
the
bahay.
food Talaga and built closer to the gate, as you can see. So from that to this.
To this, ito na yung...
This is my Lolo Herman greeting everyone here.
Sino nag-paint nito? Ling?
Lim Guan.
Lim Guan.
He's a known artista here. Parang a lot done by him.
Oh, I see. Lolo niyo po siya, no?
Yes, with his original reading glasses.
Oh, I see. Galing. Nakip pa. Buhay pa. Okay, so mula nga rito sa Herman Unson, makakita pa rin tayo ng naglalakihang mga bahay. Ayan o, isa, dalawa. So ulitin ko lang na yan, dyan tayo galing. So eto daw, hindi daw ito open sa public. So sarado pa din. And I hope someday or soon ay i-open na rin ito ng mga may-ari sa publiko. Or i-repurpose siya, gawin siyang hotel or museum. 'Di ba? And of course, yung isa na yun, ang ganda rin. So meron siyang marker, Vicente Conlu Montelibano Ancestral House. So eto pa yung isa. May kotse, no?
Basta pag-ryan, pag-tunga po.
Ay, oo nga, no? Baka pwede tayo pumasok.
Look alive,